If you're a developer and when you get a project, you just start coding immediately, you are a junior developer. All senior developers plan their project before they start coding it. So here's how I plan my project as a front-end developer. The first thing is to get the requirements and the features that need to be implemented in that project. You cannot just start coding when you are not even sure of the features or tasks that needs to be there. And this applies for everything, because even if I am, let me say, working on an e-commerce platform, there's the normal add to cart, checkout and all that, but my client might want something else, and if I don't take my time to get that, it will cause issues later down the line, because I will feel that I've done everything right, but my client will not be satisfied because I have not implemented what he wants in the application. The second thing is to determine which tool you are going to use. This varies based on the project and the developer's stack. So for me now, I'll be thinking, should I use Next.js? Should I use React? Should I just use plain React and Vite? Or if there will be animations, am I going to use GSAP? Am I going to use Three.js? What am I going to be using for state management? How am I going to connect all these things? Am I going to be using normal fetch? Am I going to use Axios? All these are questions that you need to ask yourself before you even start coding. And finally, you need to plan the structure of the project. In as much as you plan the tools that you're going to use, you need to get a structure too. So this will be the folder structure, the reusable components. If it's a landing page, will there be reusable animations and all that? So all these are things you need to put into consideration before you can finally start coding on your project. So if you've not been doing all these things before, make sure you start implementing them. I am Wala Dem, and that will be all for this. See you in the next one. Peace.